The Lord be with you. Good morning, everyone. The gospel today reminds us you are the salt of the earth and you are the light of the world. The most important thing in our life in order for us to truly survive: food. Second, we can at least see the light of the world. Now, the question is, if our food will have no taste at all, just like one content creator said, ang tabang. Now, if it is tabang, the reason why it was an issue, because some are saying she is destroying the business of that particular cafe. Now, when there is tabang, we know that the ends of it. Now, that's what happened to all of us. If we lose the taste, if we lose that salt, if we are matabang in all and everything that we do, then what will happen to us? That's why the gospel is challenging us. You are the salt. Do not lose that taste that will bring out the best in you. Secondly, we are the light. And being the light means we can see every movement happening around us. We can see where we came from and we can see where we are going. Imagine if there will be total darkness every hour for the rest of our lives, then do you think we can move? Do you think we can see where we are going? Well, we may say we have the artificial light, but until when it will last? But the gospel is saying not just the literal light, but we will be the one leading, guiding, so that we can help one another. We are the salt and the light of the world. We have our purpose if we maintain those two things in our lives. So go on to the world and proclaim the good news with salt and light. God bless.